Céline Dion, the renowned Canadian singer and songwriter, has owned and lived in several impressive homes throughout her illustrious career. These properties reflect her lavish lifestyle and immense success in the music industry. Here are some notable houses associated with Céline Dion. Ganon Mansion. This stunning mansion is perhaps the most famous of Céline Dion's residences. Located on the Ganon Island in Quebec, Canada, the property includes a private tennis court, a pool, and beautiful waterfront views. Céline Dion and her family lived here for many years before selling it in 2016. Jupiter Island Estate. In Florida, Céline Dion owned a sprawling estate on Jupiter Island. This property is known for its incredible oceanfront location and luxurious amenities. The mansion boasts several bedrooms, a massive pool, and direct access to the beach. Céline Dion put this estate on the market in 2013. Henderson, Nevada home. Céline Dion home in Henderson, Nevada, is another impressive property. This house is known for its contemporary design and modern amenities. It features a home theater, a gym, a tennis court, and a beautiful backyard with a pool. This property was listed for sale in 2017. Parisian Mansion. While not her primary residence, Dion has also owned a stunning mansion in Paris, France. This historic home is located in the heart of the city and offers a taste of old-world elegance. It features ornate architecture, lavish interiors, and a picturesque garden. Let's talk more about Céline Dion's house on Jupiter Island, which is a remarkable example of luxury and style. Designed and built in 2010 for Céline Dion and her family, this irreplaceable property is a luxurious Bahamian-inspired estate on Florida's exclusive Jupiter Island. The Jupiter Island home is situated right on the pristine shores of the Atlantic Ocean. Its prime location provides breathtaking panoramic views of the ocean, offering a sense of tranquility and natural beauty that is truly unparalleled. The estate, which Dion shared with her late husband René Angélil, is a sprawling waterfront property that spans over 5.7 acres. It is especially famous for its water park, which includes a lazy river, several unique pools, and water slides, making it a personal paradise for water lovers. Céline Dion's mansion on Jupiter Island is a true architectural marvel that combines luxury, modern amenities, and an elegant design to create a truly extraordinary living space. Architecturally, the house is a blend of modern and traditional designs. It features a main residence that is over 10,000 square feet, with numerous bedrooms and bathrooms, providing ample space for both family living and entertaining guests. The interiors are elegantly designed, with high ceilings, custom-built furnishings, and state-of-the-art amenities. The property also includes a tennis court, a simulated golf range, a pool house, and a beach house with a massage room. These facilities, combined with the beautiful oceanfront view, make it a luxurious retreat. This amazing property, which Dion sold in 2017, was famous for its exceptional features and amenities. Initially listed for $72 million in 2013, the estate was eventually sold for a significantly reduced price of around $28 million in 2017. The sale price reflected the unique nature of the property and the niche market for such high-end estates. Céline Dion estate was located in the exclusive Jupiter Island community, which is known for its privacy and high-profile residence. The property spanned over 5.7 acres and was one of the most significant in the area. The main residence was a Bahamian-inspired mansion. Spanning over 10,000 square feet, it featured a series of open and airy living spaces. The interiors were elegantly designed, with a focus on high ceilings, custom-built details, and floor-to-ceiling windows that offered panoramic views of the Atlantic Ocean. The mansion boasted 13 bedrooms and 14 bathrooms, each uniquely designed. The master suite was a highlight, offering expansive ocean views, a private terrace, and a luxurious ensuite bathroom. One of the most distinctive features of Dion's estate was its private water park. This included a lazy river, multiple pools, water slides, and a fire pit area. The water park made the property particularly unique and was a favorite feature for visitors and residents alike. The estate also included a tennis court, a simulated golf range, a pool house, a beach house with a massage room, and a fully equipped gym. For guests, there was a separate guest house with 8 bedrooms. Given Dion's celebrity status, the estate was designed with privacy and security in mind. It featured a gated entrance and was surrounded by lush, mature landscaping that ensured seclusion. One of the most remarkable features of Celine Dion's Jupiter Island house is its direct and private access to the pristine beach. Residents of the estate can step directly from the property onto the soft sands of the Atlantic Ocean's coastline. This proximity to the beach provides an exclusive and intimate connection to the ocean. The mansion on Jupiter Island is known for its contemporary architectural design. It features sleek lines, clean angles, and a minimalist aesthetic, giving it a modern and timeless appeal. The design maximizes the use of glass walls and large windows to offer breathtaking views of the ocean and surrounding natural beauty. The interior of the mansion is exceptionally spacious, reflecting both grandeur and comfort. It includes multiple bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bathroom. The living areas, dining spaces, and entertainment rooms are generously sized to accommodate Celine Dion's family and guests comfortably. Luxury and opulence are evident in the choice of high-end materials throughout the mansion. From marble and granite countertops to custom hardwood floors and designer fixtures, every detail reflects top-tier craftsmanship and quality. A gourmet chef's kitchen is a standard feature in homes of this caliber. It is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, an oversized island, and ample counter space. This space is perfect for hosting large gatherings and culinary experimentation. Entertainment is a priority in a celebrity's home, and the mansion includes a home theater equipped with the latest audio and visual technology. It provides an immersive cinematic experience for family movie nights or private screenings. Walk-in closets and dressing rooms are essential in a luxurious mansion. Céline Dion residence features ample closet space to accommodate her extensive wardrobe and accessories. The mansion is designed to seamlessly blend indoor and outdoor living. Glass doors and expansive terraces or balconies create a fluid transition from the interior to the outdoor spaces. This design allows residents to enjoy the ocean views and Florida's pleasant climate. Like many upscale homes, Celine's mansion is equipped with smart home technology, offering control over lighting, climate, security, and entertainment systems through automation and remote access. Celine Dion's choice of the Jupiter Island mansion showcases her taste for contemporary luxury and a desire for a comfortable yet elegant living space. Celine's taste in real estate has often been characterized by grandeur and luxury. Her properties have been some of the most expensive and opulent homes in the world. While she has sold some of these residences, her real estate portfolio has been a reflection of her immense success and her desire for a comfortable and stylish lifestyle. After taking a look at Celine Dion's house, what are your thoughts? Is her home as spectacular as you thought it would be? Would you like to visit this house? If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and catch you in the upcoming video.